My name's Elian Terner, and I'm the head of the mining team at National Bank Financial. We have offices in Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, as well as connectivity vis-a-vis mining in New York, London, and Paris. So we are a global mining franchise, and we're supported by a very active balance sheet. We have over $6 billion out to the lending sector globally. We advise on M&A, having done some of the largest deals in the last 24 months, and are a very frequent and robust equity underwriter, and recently led the last 5 transactions in the market. Well, we see a very positive market right now. Commodity prices have rebounded significantly. I think everyone's aware of that. As a result of that, valuations have responded favorably to the sector, and we're seeing more investor interest now, and as a result we're seeing more financings getting done as new interest and new capital comes to the market. Equally, as a result of better valuations, we're seeing more companies willing to discuss mergers and acquisitions more frequently, and are actively looking for opportunities. We look at mining as a global business. We think that whether you're a single asset company operating in Quebec, you will look to your peers globally. You input your materials from a global source. Your commodity is priced usually in US dollars or on a global market. So for us, opportunity is wherever we can find it. I'd like to just talk a moment about the event and why it's important to National Bank, and why we are the lead sponsor of the event. When Jo approached us, she pitched us on the idea of a new institutional conference in Canada that was going to be sponsored by multiple banks. And that was something that really appealed to us because we think this industry really benefits from these gatherings. I mean, it's an industry that is continuously in dialogue, continuously comparing notes. But the one thing is, I don't think the industry thinks it needs more conferences, and we would agree. But we need better conferences. And what we don't have in Canada is a multi-bank industry conference. And this is the attempt to do that. And so here we are in our 3rd year. Every year it's been getting bigger, more companies, larger companies, more investors attending. Obviously the positive market conditions we're enjoying helps that. We expect those conditions to continue for some time, and therefore we expect this conference to continue for some time, and we look forward to being a lead sponsor for years to come, and we welcome other of our financial banks or financial sponsors to join us on this journey. We think a collaborative approach to building this conference in Canada is a good thing for the industry, and is wanted and needed at this time.